I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a long tail cast on, making a hat that requires 80 stitches of an Aran weight yarn. And this is Woolsock Aran from Blue Sky Fibers. Many people ask, how do you know how much yarn to leave for your tail? Typically we could say an inch per stitch, so we'd want 80 inches. Honestly, I just kind of eyeball it, and the more you practice eyeballing it, the better you get. So I would go probably like 3 pulls like that. I don't do a slip knot for my cast on. I simply put the yarn over the needle and I hold my index finger on that loose yarn. Then you don't have that little extra knot there. And I like to grab both of my yarns with 3 fingers of my left hand. So I hold it like that. Then I put my index finger and my thumb together and I split it. So then I make either a diamond or however you'd like to refer to it while I'm holding the 3 fingers of the other yarn, the tail and the working yarn, okay? Then we're going to flatten it. Again, I've got the yarn secured with my fingers below. Flatten it to make a slingshot and or a heart, however you like to look at it. You're going to come all the way over to the left, all the way, and go through the yarn that's on your thumb. Go in and grab the working yarn that's over your index finger. Bring it right back out the same direction, and you'll drop your thumb off and open it back up, and then you're in position to do again. And now we're secured that first yarn over that was on the needle. So let's do it again. You go all the way to the left, go in, grab the working yarn, bring it right back out, and then use your thumb to finish the cast on stitch. One mistake that people do with casting on like this is they may then grab the yarn like this to tighten it down, and then you've lost your position. So if you can keep yourself in position, you'll be able to continue to cast on. And you'll also notice that you'll go grab it, bring it right back out, and then you just gently wiggle, wiggle, wiggle it down. So you don't want to tighten it down so that then these cast on stitches are too tight to work on your first round. And that's how I like to long tail cast on.